Okay, we are in the Volkswagen Passat. Let's check a working key and a faulty key. We put the EinaLock in front of the ignition closure, and now let's check a faulty key. As you can see, the LED keeps on looking for the correct key. As you can see, there is an issue with the key. Now let's try now with the right key. As you can see, the LED just blinks once. It means the car has identified the key immediately. It works. Easy and simple. Great for your catalog or as a goodie for your marketing campaigns or events. Great, isn't it? Thank you.